Sir,
Good afternoon. Yes.
sir, we can pause the model right later.
Yes, of course, we can post the model. Like you can see, I have unwrapped the entire thing. I'm just fixing the horn. Just in this horn part, I have to unwrap. Rest everything is like, ready. Okay, let's see.
So we can use UV master and all this, right? And where topology doesn't really matter.
No, it
All
does
those you have to like UV master.
everything. It doesn't work. Like you want, like one thing you to understand. Z-based remesh thing, all this thing. I agree to apologize that is there in ZBrush, in Maya also. It doesn't give you clean geometry, like it's not optimized. It's created nice, clean, equally distributed polygons and everything, but it's not like perfect. You have to optimize it. Unnecessary polygons are not acceptable, so you have to retopo always. There is no shortcuts. Okay, we need one scene throughout the model. I forgot to detach the main this thing only. Unfold. Now almost everything. Optimize. Because there's no scene. Unfold. Scene. Unfold. Let's see this one. Says this one. Because it collapsed it. Mesh, and I can use unfold brush or optimize brush also. Optimize tool. Optimize everything, double check.
Sir, after optimize tool, do you unfold?
No,
So if you unfold, it will go back to that first position. Sir, how do you like, for example, if I have a face mesh, okay, and I want a body mesh, and I have put seams everywhere, and I want the face shell to be large, so I scaled it, and then when I am layouting it the UV, वो automatically वो वापस छोटा कर देता है उसको because scale on होता है.
तो स्केल ऑफ करके करना पड़ेगा. एंड फॉर बॉडी यूजुअली ऑर्गेनिक वी ले आउट इट मैनुअली.
अच्छा.
ऑटो लेआउट काम इसमें वर्क नहीं करता.
Okay, okay.
Now it's clean.
सर कोई वेट कर रहा है क्या, एक बार देख लो तो.
हाँ कर दिया मैंने, एक्सेप्ट कर दिया.
Okay.
Okay, finally unwrap worlds quickly. So make sure once you're done with this, delete history, save your file. So now everything you can see unwrapped. This is icon symmetry. So let's keep it like this. First
अनरैप कब किया आपने ये?
अभी 1 घंटे बैठ के.
अच्छा, पहले हमको का क्लास में किया.
नहीं क्लास में स्टार्ट बिकॉज देयर इज नॉट इनफ टाइम. सो इफ आई स्टार्ट डूइंग अनरैपिंग ड्यूरिंग क्लास, इसको 1 घंटा लग गया इसको अनरैप करने में. सो पूरा क्लास का टाइम निकल जाता है बिकॉज मेरे पास अभी और क्लासेस भी है. सो इशू हो जाएगा. सो अभी अनरैप आई डिड. सो इट्स नॉट perfect yet, like I have to like checkers and everything is kind of fine. So I kept my legs separate, body separate, and this fur part separate. Face I unwrapped. So this is basically this inside denture part. So I can reduce this thing. Oh, I knew it. Yeah. Anyways, thank God I saved my file.
Sir, have you ever used Rhizome? वो क्या अच्छा होता है क्या?
UV के लिए.
हाँ पता है, वो अच्छा होता है.
हाँ अच्छा, it's very good. It's very good and very easy.
मतलब comparatively to Maya और easy है. हमको तो Maya easy.
Maya easy है and resume उसमें like you have to like in Maya you have to straight things and clean things. It automatically does all those things. So काफी easy हुआ उससे. History, save. Okay, now so history and everything is clean. So here, so this mouth in मैंने इसका created this thing. So I'll keep it very small. Because that part is not visible and usually it's like red in color, flesh color, and इसको I'll keep outside. This is like last moment I'll keep this thing. So apart from this, everything else I need to select. And eyes also I can, if I want, I can make like delete one side. And this is I have to unwrap this one. This is a sphere. Sphere. So that this is like same zebra sphere only. Delete half, delete. Unfold circle. everything is clean. Okay, so now I have everything unwrapped. Way to select here, and now first thing what I'll do is I'll just simply like fix the UV size. Right now it's all different, so unfold. I can go to unfold or I can go to layout settings. So by default, prescale is none. So I can make it object. Based on the object, their size in the model, it will change. Flip, rotate, any direction, and map size you can select like 1K, 2K, 4K. Apply.
सर वो तो एक ही बात है ना, स्क्वायर तो स्क्वायर ही रहेगा 1K 2K.
No, say square ही रहेगा. Distance between shell changes.
वो तो हम लोग को पैडिंग डालना पड़ता है ना.
तो अगर डालेंगे तभी, नहीं डालेंगे तब भी ऑटोमेटिकली उसको डिस्टेंस को मैनेज कर देता है वो. Okay, so my basic like scale and everything is ready. So this thing.
सर वो जो टेंसर था वो ऑटोमेटिकली वापस स्केल हो गया क्या अभी? स्केल हो गया ना, उसको वापस स्केल डाउन.
इसको अभी इसको स्केल डाउन करना पड़ेगा इसको. So now I have to my right now my proportion, scale and everything is correct. So all UV checker size throughout the model is same. So now I have to modify few things. Let's see, few things. Let's see the entire thing. Or one more thing. Like initially I was creating the head and body everything together. So now you can see body everything together. Head is separate because one thing in animation, like this is a character. It will rotate its head and everything, right? So head should be separate for this character, this particular character, not for everything, only for this character, because this body won't rotate, only head will rotate. That's why head is separate, because rest of the part, neck is not visible, so it won't matter. So
maybe इसका neck नहीं है, इसलिए you have to do it separately. But
just because of that.
जिराफ के लिए तो कर
जिराफ के लिए should be one single जो पूरा एक साथ. Okay, so let's select this entire thing and now I have to layout. Just rotate everything and scale and everything is correct. I'll just move this entire thing one box here. Now I'll start with face. This is my most important part. So I need to increase the resolution slightly. Usually this is how it is. Your head resolution, texture and topology, geometry wise, both it have extra polygons plus it have extra texel density. So head, this is most important part. Then we have, let's see what we can do. Body. Place the body, let's see. Direction is like ulta, so just correct the direction. So now here I can see I cannot, you can see I separated the UV for the fur part and the body part. So it will become easy for me to texture. Now I have to align this because there's no other way. I have to rotate this thing because these two are separate, so it won't matter. Legs. So legs, direction, always try to keep it like top to bottom like this.
सर लेफ्ट एंड राइट लेग तो सेम ही होगा, तो उसको स्टैक नहीं कर सकते.
तो ओवरलैप
या स्टैक होता है ना.
हाँ, तो उसको कर सकते हैं. So like we have space, so let's use it.
बट सर स्टैक जब करते हैं तो वो फ्लिप हो जाता है ना, यूवी तो आई गेस फ्लिप हो
फ्लिप हो
तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता.
नहीं
कर सकते.
कर सकते हैं. This is mountain. Reduce it because this part is not visible. So I can keep it wherever I want. And you can see there's a lot of triangles. I reduced it. So I created a lot of triangles and reduced the amount, like this all these loops, because all it will have exact same amount of loops. So I reduced it. And this is nose. So nose, this is a triangular shape. So unwrapping this, what I did is I just kept it half out. If I want, I can like center this part. So that this front seam is not visible. Cut. You can do like this also. Now rotate. Eyes, it's a solid color, so I can keep it anywhere. Scale doesn't matter.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, in case the character has like props with him,
Okay.
so will that also, will all that contain in the same shell?
Depends. Like if you're usually like AAA titles, they have multiple textures in one model. So you have different multiple UV sets. Like maybe upper body, you have different UV and texture. Lower body, different UV and texture. For all the accessories or cloth, you have different UV and texture. So it depends. But this is a cartoon character, so we don't need much details, so we can use it in one shell.
So if we want, we can have different shells. You're just showing.
No, but that's if it's required, right? This kind of character doesn't need.
Okay, depend. It's character driven.
Yes, character driven.
सर the UDIM tiles वो max में था कि इसमें क्या था?
UDIM is different. In UDIM, you have different set of UVs, and then you apply different texture in according to the UV tile.
तो माया में है वो?
बिल्कुल है.
How do you do it? Where is the option?
There is no option. It just you have to keep one. This is your 1001 tile. This is 1002 tile. Just keep the next section set of textures here, another set of texture here, and while importing into Substance, make sure switch on the UDIM option, and then we'll start texturing. Okay, now let's see this part. This is have little detail, that checker thing. This is like this base part that is not visible, still increase slightly and keep it nearby. Maybe somewhere here. I can place it here. Now, what is this? Okay, this goatee. The slight stretch. Cut. Become clean.
So do you check that option where it shows no red, blue, stretching and all in the
Here.
U? हाँ वो आप check
Yeah.
करते हो क्या?
Huh?
The-
Huh,
जैसे
check finally. So like usually if your checkers are throughout same, it won't matter.
but यहाँ पे same थोड़ी ना checkers.
थोड़ा सा 19 कैरेक्टर पे रहेगा वो. You cannot do anything.
अच्छा, I
Organic.
thought it should be white. Everything should be white.
That's like an ideal situation, like for a hard surface model. But organic character, wherever you have round surface, you can no matter what you do, there will be little stretch. So max to max, you can optimize it and reduce it.
Okay.
So you can see like it's almost touching here. So I'll use soft selection and move it slightly. There will be a very little stretch, but that won't be noticeable. Similarly,
सर ओवरऑल शेल के स्केल डाउन कर देते हैं ना उससे फिर like वो भी तो कर सकते हैं.
कर सकते हैं, बट आई डोंट नहीं करना चाहता. मैं चाहता हूँ कि पूरा यूज हो स्पेस. And if you don't want to squeeze it, you can just cut it from here and then rotate and place it. That is also fine. So there is nothing else in my scene. We have only this much. Only save, delete history, Control D, -1. Please reset, and now combine the entire model. I can keep it separate also, but so my high poly is also here. You can see clearly. This is my file. So everything is ready. Now can start push this model to substance and start texturing. So select this one.
सर हाई पॉली आपका डेसिमेटेड था क्या?
हाँ decimated था.
उसी से आप वो कर दोगे.
नहीं मेरे को अभी दोबारा करना पड़ेगा. रीजन मेरे हाई पॉली में कैप नहीं है. दिस हॉर्न्स ऑल दिस थिंग्स आर नॉट देयर. तो मेरे को ऐड करना पड़ेगा. हाँ लेकिन सपोज आई वांट टू क्रिएट हाई पॉली. So if I want to use this one, I can use this also. Like it's decimated. So but this high poly doesn't have your this thing cap and horn. So what I have to do is duplicate this. Hide and shift P and my high poly. So this is, I can select, group it, just apply a smooth, make it little soft.
सर वही तो मैं पूछ रहा हूँ, जो बॉडी मैश है जो डेसिमेटेड है, आप उसी को एज अ हाइपर यूज करके पिक करोगे?
हाँ, because इसको if I want I can like redo it, सभी इतना कौन करे?
आपके पास वहाँ पे है ना ZBrush में अच्छा वाला वर्जन जो मिलियन में पॉली है,
हाँ,
उसको हम लोग एज अ हाइपर यूज कर सकते हैं ना, वो ज्यादा अच्छा होगा ना इससे तो।
उसको we have to decimate, उसको भी decimate करना पड़ेगा।
अच्छा, हम लोग मतलब 1 मिलियन पॉली एज हाइपर यूज नहीं कर सकते?
हाँ, 1 million we can use, 1 million 2 million is fine।
1 मिलियन तो था आपके इंडिया हाइपर यूज,
मेरे को याद नहीं है,
ज्यादा नहीं।
ठीक है, एक ही बात है। So
क्योंकि मैं जब ये किया था ना डेसिमेट, तो थोड़ा ट्रायंगल 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 दिखता है उसमें, मुझे लगा उससे प्रॉब्लम होगा। लाइक व्हेन आई डेसिमेटेड तो द वो तो स्मूथ नहीं था, मतलब ट्रायंगल ट्रायंगल दिखता था वो हर एक फेस में व्हेन आई इंपोर्टेड टू
Maya, हाँ, so because there is no smoothing group applied, you have to apply a smoothness, edge smoothness, इसीलिए। Hi. Export selection, with low poly, and I'm exporting FBX. FBX because like suppose it's the game ready model. In that case, always use FBX. It will retain all your UV information, your all everything. So you can see all everything is here. Save file.
सर आपने लो पॉली को सब कंबाइन कर दिया था ना?
हाँ,
और उसको FBX से एक्सपोर्ट कर दिया।
yes.
ये क्या है?
Substance Painter,
ठीक है सर।
latest update.
कर दिया।
Adobe को पूरा आ गया क्या उसमें?
नहीं, like Substance Painter is like Adobe ने खरीद लिया ना, it's from Adobe only.
पहले तो आता नहीं था, बेबी लंग।
हाँ, तो अभी from this अभी recently this update came. Okay, so Substance Painter, maybe some of you already used it and some of you haven't, I don't know. So this is your basically viewport. This is your texture set, material, number of materials, layer, number of layers, your texture setting and everything. And this is property, which whatever you select, the properties. This is all presets of material. This is material. Then you have smart material. You have a smart mask. Then all these options are there. So initially, to start with this, you have to import your file. New DirectX Maya is OpenGL. DirectX for Unreal and Max. So make sure switch off all these things like your UV workflow, the style, this thing you're not using, and you put camera is not useless, and auto unwrap is off. Select your model. Low poly. Okay.
सर वो 1K था।
तो 1K.
We can change it anytime.
Oh.
Texture 1K to 4K, whenever you want to change, you can change it. Substance, that's why we use Substance, because Substance is procedural texturing. So in procedural, you can change the texture size anytime without losing any quality. So, but first this layer, delete it. It's useless. Name it as India. So you have your file. You can see there's some slide, some issue. Okay, there's a hole or something. I have to check. I guess I accidentally deleted this.
ट्रायंगल है क्या?
हाँ यहाँ पे triangle है, but those parts, no matter what I do, I cannot fix it. So I just created a triangle, the connecting point.
उसको मर्ज नहीं करोगे?
हाँ merge करूँगा. Done. Export the file again. I'll just do low poly FBX. Now I have to update this model. Go to edit, project configuration, select the model one more time. It will update the model. Okay, the first thing first, once you import your model in Substance Painter, because Substance Painter is basically an algorithm and it needs to read your model. It's model position, model scale, thickness, everything. It needs to read it. Based on that will generate texture. So because it's all, you have most of the generators only. So first thing, go to texture set, scroll down, you can see mesh maps. Click on bake mesh maps. You can choose the size 4K, 8K, 4K, and this first tab you can either you can, suppose you don't have a high poly, you can use your low poly as high poly to bake all the mesh maps, or if you have a high poly, click this and select your high poly and bake everything. Initially, do not change anything until now unless you really need to change anything. So do not change anything and bake.
सर वो भी सिखाना ना, माया में आईडी मैप कैसे होता है वो पता नहीं.
Okay.
Sir, do we not need ID map for this model?
For this model, no, but yes, like for this, like suppose I want to select this section. So though UV is separate, I can select it easily. But if you want to create ID map, you can definitely create it.
No, because it all has different colors, right?
Yeah.
आईडी मैप को बस चूज करने के लिए होता है ना.
ID map is just for selection.
Yeah,
Just
I know. That is why I'm asking, sir.
So like if you really because this is a solid geometry, so I don't have a selection. So if the UV are connected, then it will become easy. Instead of doing it manually, I can just simply select and bake it. I should have exported and baked it. I can see issues.
तो कैसे होगा? ठीक,
Substance का फाइल वो ZBrush का फाइल लेके आना पड़ेगा.
हम तो उससे हो जाएगा.
उससे क्लीन हो जाएगा. This is because I dynameshed my model, right? That's why all this thing happened.
Dynamic or decimate?
Dynamesh. Decimate only reduce the model. Dynamesh combine the model. So whenever it combines, it basically connect your body and neck and head and everything together.
नहीं वो तो पता है, पर आपका हाई पॉली डायनामिक्स था, मुझे लगता है.
हाँ हाँ, उसको एक्सपोर्ट करने से पहले मैंने डायनामेश किया था उसको. This is my model. This is not dynamic. You can see everything is separation. So I'll put here all high. This is.
So what is that all high?
Means if anything is in like lower division or something. So if you click all high, it will like make everything all high division.
मतलब highest division में.
High division में हाँ, Control D. Okay. So everything is together. It's 1.9 million. The Substance can handle this. So everything is visible. I can go to merge. I can make merge visible. And go here, you can see entire, this tab, entire file. Merged.
Shift F दबाओ एक बार.
Huh?
Shift F. Topology कैसा है?
Dynamesh है.
ऐसे ले जा सकते डायनामिक्स को, क्यों हमको रीमेश करके?
नहीं, उससे कुछ लेना देना नहीं है. Like जो भी visible है, whatever is visible, it will bake that only. So this is topology, there is no connection. Export. Let's override that. Oh, okay. I have to fix the size scale also because I have increased the size, I guess, scale of my model. To import and check.
ये हैंडल कर पाएगा?
21.257. Let's see. I'll use it. 21.257.
सर इससे अच्छा लो पॉली उधर एक्सपोर्ट करके कर दो, पर उसमें हम लोग नंबर से स्केल नहीं कर सकते ना जीरो।
वही तो. So I'll just delete my high poly. Let's see Maya, maybe. I'm not sure. This is different organic. Let's see. If it's not able to handle, then I'll decimate the model and bring it. Yeah, it came. So tiny. Control G. Paste it. Done. And everything is ready. So you can see it's really dense. This looks clean only. Export selection.
सर मेरे को समझ नहीं आया, लाइक आपको जो आप जीब्रश में हाइपोली एक्सपोर्ट किए थे वो भी तो डायनामिक्स था और ये भी डायनामिक्स था, तो डिफरेंस क्या है?
स्केल
वो भी तो सेम ही था ना?
मैंने स्केल इंक्रीज किया ना 21.257.
नहीं, जो अपने जीब्रश में अभी एक्सपोर्ट किया और वो जो जैकेट एजेस आ रहे थे
वो ओके उसमें लास्ट टाइम व्हाट आई डिड इज कि पूरे मॉडल को कंबाइन करके आई डिड डायनामिक्स. अभी पूरा मॉडल सेपरेट था, इसमें ईच एंड एवरी पार्ट इज सेपरेट. तो हाँ इसीलिए. सो ZBrush
बस मर्ज्ड है.
हाँ ये जस्ट मर्ज्ड है.
ओके.
सो Maya, I'll close it. Let's hide this one. Close my Maya. Now I have to rebake everything. I have overwritten this file, so I can bake it directly. This time baking will be clean.
So while baking in the उसमें आपने दिखाया था ना कि we increase that 64 to 128 वो high
sampling.
हाँ
हाँ तो वो कर सकते हो, नहीं भी कर सकते, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. So
वो भी कुछ होता है ना सर, प्रोजेक्शन का वो थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे
distance projection distance वो अगर इनके if you really need that then only, if you don't need it no need. Like suppose your volume of high poly is too much and your scale of the model is less, in that case I'll increase the distance so that I can project. Okay, I can see clearly a difference. Like this eyeball is, I guess I created this thing in Maya, so I guess position is slightly inside. So I can see clearly there's a dark line. So here you can see it's creating this issue slightly. Because high poly it's still here and low poly it's, you can see the eyeball is small. Okay, it's my mistake only. Okay, that's I'll update later. Right now I don't want to update it. Okay, so my basic baking is ready. You can see all the detail transferred from high poly. I can see all this detail, and now I can start blocking out my like color blocking. Where is my reference? Where is the reference? Here. So I have this reference here. So let's color block this thing.
So इसमें शेडर कौन सा जाएगा? स्किन शेड.
हाँ,
पंखा मत चला।
तो वो तो यहाँ पे तो कुछ भी लगा, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है।
So can we like block the colors in ZBrush and then just put it as a map?
Why?
Just like
Why
this.
you want to do that? We
Sir,
can definitely, it's
This is the
possible.
polypaint.
That's ZBrush is polypaint, and this is a texture color. Polypaint
तो
is
मेरे को तो करना होगा ना, मेरे को जैसे लाइक जिराफ को बीच जो ब्लैक ब्लैक वो है, ब्लैक ब्लैक मीन ऑरेंज ऑरेंज, वो कैसे करूंगा मैं?
पेंट करना पड़ेगा।
कैसे इधर कर सकते हो
इधर ही तो होगा, और कहाँ होगा?
आप? कुछ करना था इसके ऊपर, बॉडी के ऊपर।
अच्छा ठीक है, मैं इस पे पैचेस स्ट्राइप्स ज़ेब्रा बना दूंगा इसको मैं, डोंट वरी। हाँ, so let's start blocking color. So first, one layer, this is my base color for the body. So one layer, this is fill layer, this is your paint layer. Then you have effects, you have mask and paint layer. This is your like add any preset layer or something, folder and delete. So I use fill layer. Fill layer have all the options where you can fill something. So for this is base. So I'll add color first. So this is my reference. Click here. Oh, sorry, I cannot see it. I should have used. But I'll keep it another window. Click here. I can pick this color from any other software also. I have to click on the dropper and hold the left mouse button and go and click on and drop the dropper there. It will pick the color, and I can see same color. But this color is for the face and body. So this is so right click, add a black mask, then add a paint. Do not you can modify the base this mask also, but do not modify it because that's a destructive way of doing it. If you have a paint layer, you can always go back and modify things very easily. So now this part is this color and head is same color. So instead of manually painting like this, what I'll do is I'll go this fourth option selection, polyfill basically, and I'll go to UV mode and make sure it's white. Click UV based. It will fill those sections. Everything is filled now. This thing I'll update. So basic blocking is, you see basic color now, and I feel it's way too shiny. So reduce the roughness, like lesser this roughness, matte, more sorry, lesser the roughness will be shiny, more roughness is matte. Rough basically define the property of the surface. If it's rough, it will be matte. If it's not smooth, it will be shiny. So reduce it. Now for this thing, I have different color. So let's select. So for this, because I have already defined my all this setting, so I can check my roughness is 4 point. Let's make it like 0.4 only. Standardize this thing. Roughness 0.4, and now fill the color. Right click, black mask, select this. This thing is filled. Now I can see here. Okay, base of the nose also same color. So I'll pick nose also here. Oh, sorry, my bad.
सर उसका बियर्ड बोलो, फर पे क्या ग्रेडियंट है क्या? मतलब ऊपर वाला फर इस तरह लाइट
हाँ
है।
हाँ, दो कलर है इसमें।
तो आप कैसे करोगे? आपका तो एक ही यूवी है।
हाँ, so I'll do it manually or I'll make a ID map.
सर वो आईडी मैप वाला प्रोसेस करो।
बता दूंगा वही, that's what I'm saying कि इसके लिए मैं I'll make ID map. I'll show how to make an ID map and generate like create a selection. Okay, and
ये तो पर वर्टेक्स पर फेस करना पड़ेगा।
नहीं फेस तो नहीं, फेस वाइज तो नहीं होगा, लेकिन क्योंकि फेस में वो एज टू एज नहीं है, सो मेरे को वो सिलेक्ट वो मैनुअली पेंट करना पड़ेगा, और आई हैव टू यूज दिस थिंग ID map. So I'll use ID map for this. So pick this color, another color for horns. Horns are usually little matte. Right click, add black mask, and for this I can use this is your mesh.
Sir, paint.
What? Oh, sorry. Vipassana. Yeah, done.
So what's the difference अभी आपने जो किया था और paint layer बना के
उससे it's a like उससे now it's I have a separate layer for paint, so I can modify this thing very easily. But directly इस पे कर देंगे तो what will happen? You have to modify the main layer. If you want to remove something or add something, it will become difficult. So constructive way, so ऐसे ही करेंगे इसको. And then we have eyes. One more layer. It's like little off white. Black mask. Paint. Little off white, and this thing is blue in color. One more layer. Blue. Black mask, mesh. And then I'll create a circle also later. Basic setup. Then one more thing for the cap.
So that error, can you do it ऐसे? Can you prepare it जो हो रहा है वो?
What?
आई के पास जो हुआ ना issue, how will you like?
I'll update the model. It's a model problem. I recreated the eye in Maya. So position is slightly different from high poly.
How will you fix it?
So I'll go back to Maya and then move the eye.
कुछ change नहीं करना पड़ेगा. Like all this color and all will be still there.
Everything will be there. Everything will be there. Nothing will change. And one more color for Gopi. This is a little gray in color. Slightly dark.
Like Photoshop में one layer can have like different colors, right? जिसमें ऐसा नहीं हो सकता.
इसमें paintly, that's why you have two separate layer function. One is fill layer is solid color, one single solid color. One is paint layer. In paint layer, you can have multiple layers.
तो फिर हम लोग ऐसा कर सकते हैं, paint layer में कोई base color बना के अलग-अलग color डाल दो. Is that like?
But that's not the right way of doing it. सबको separate रखना जरूरी है. So these two are together, so I'll use UV and fix it. Okay, so you can see my all basic colors are ready.
Sir, foot में कुछ अलग color है क्या?
हाँ बिल्कुल. Doctor dark color का है और dark brown, chocolate brown. So I'll fill this like that only. So set up this thing. Basic setup is ready. Save the file. So now we'll start texturing. So this is like in my reference is flat. Reference is flat. There is nothing. I can see only this. There's a stripe on cap and there's some two sign. So what I can do is I can make it a little more realistic, maybe semi-realistic. I'll add a little bit detail in Substance so that you can explore the entire software. What we can do, we'll explore that, and by the time I'll fix the eye also, because there's not enough time. I have class this thing, and I got access and everything. Just give me a second. I'll mark attendance quickly.
So for the fur and the foot, you will do ID map.
Yes.
अगर ID map नहीं करना तो what can be the other workaround?
Manual paint. So ID map is the easiest process. So we'll do you.
ID map होता कैसा? Basically vertex के ऊपर होता है वो.
नहीं. ID map is a map. It's a color map. This is a selection map.
Like polypen.
अरे नहीं बाबा, बताऊंगा ना मैं. सबर करो.
तब तक YouTube में देखते हो.
हाँ. Ganesh, Ranjan. Maripit, we have Mohit Roy, we have Nitin, we have Pratyush, Puneet, Rohit, then we have Sahil, Saloni Das, Sanjana, and Sashwat.
सर आप मेरा थोड़ा फाइल चेक कर सकते हो?
अभी टाइम नहीं
सर,
मेरा
बस
अरे
एक बार छोटा सा ही है।
मेरा क्लास का टाइम हो रहा है। सेंड मी द फाइल, मैं चेक कर लूंगा, चेक करके रिप्लाई कर दूंगा।
हाँ, मैं भेज दिया सर। मतलब मुझे बस चाहिए था कि वो लेक के पास उसका वो जो टोपोलॉजी कैसे आएगा।
अच्छा, मैं मार्क करके भेज दूंगा, ठीक है? मेरा क्लास
हाँ,
स्टार्ट
ठीक
हो
है, ठीक है।
टाइम हो गया है।
ओके सर,
हाँ,
ओके
ठीक
सर।
है, ओके।